गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम क्लास 10th की ह्यूमन आई के नोट्स पढ़ेंगे। ह्यूमन आई एंड कलरफुल वर्ल्ड। ह्यूमन आई, द मेन पार्ट्स ऑफ ह्यूमन आई आर कॉर्निया, आइरिस, pupil, ciliary muscles, eye lens, retina and optic nerves. Cornea, the front part of the eye is called cornea. The light coming from object enters the eye through cornea. Iris, iris is a flat colored ring shaped membrane behind the cornea of the eye. Pupil, a hole in the middle of the iris is called pupil of the eye. Eye lens, the eye lens is a convex lens made of transparent, soft and flexible material like a jelly made of protein. Ciliary muscles, ciliary muscles changes the thickness of eye lens while focusing. They adjust the focal length of the eye lens according to the need. Retina, the screen on which the image is formed in eye is called retina. The retina of an eye is just like a film in cornea. In camera, rod, a large number of light sensitive cells are called rods. They respond to intensity of light. Cones, cones are also light sensitive cells which respond to color of object by generating electric signals. Blind spot, the blind spot is a small area of retina insensitive to the light where the optical nerves leave the eye. Aqueous humor, the space between cornea and eye lens is filled with a watery liquid called aqueous humor. Vitreous humor, the space between eye lens and retina is filled with a transparent jelly like substance called vitreous humor. Figure shown. Working of the eye, the light rays coming from the object kept in front of us enters through the cornea of eye. Kept in front of us and cornea of eye. Eye lens converge the light rays and produce a real and inverted image of the object on the retina. The retina has a large number of light sensitive cells. When image falls on the retina, then these light sensitive cells get activated and generated electric signals. As far as physics is concerned, the eye consists of convex lens and a screen. The eye lens forms a real image of the object on the retina of the eye and we are able to see the objects. Function of iris and pupil. The iris controls the amount of light entering the eyes. If the amount of light received by the eye is large, then the iris contracts the pupil and reduce the amount of light entering the eye. If the amount of light received by the eye is small, the iris expands the pupil so that more light may enter the eye. Rods. Rods are the rod-shaped cells present in the retina of an eye which are sensitive to dim light. Rod cells do not provide the information about the color of the object. Cones. Cones are the cone-shaped cells present in the retina of the eye which are sensitive to bright light. Cones do not function in dim light. These cause a sensation of color of objects in our eye. Note: a normal eye can see the object as well as the nearby object clearly due to its power of accommodation. Accommodation: the ability of an eye to focus the distinct object as well as the nearby object on the retina by changing the focal length of its lens is called accommodation. A normal eye has a power of accommodation which enables object as far as infinity as close as 25 cm to focus on the retina. Far point. The farthest point from the eye at which an object can be seen clearly is known as the far point of the eye. Near point. The nearest point up to which the eye can see an object clearly without any stain is called the near point of the eye. Note: the range of normal human eye is 25 cm to infinity. Defects of vision. There are three common defects of vision which are follows: myopia, hypermetropia, presbyopia. Myopia. It is that defect due to which a person cannot see the distinct object clearly. The far point of an eye suffering from myopia is less than infinity. Cause of myopia. Number 1, due to high converging power of eye lens. Number 2, due to eyeball being too long. Correction. To correct this fault of eye, we use concave lens. This is used to reduce the converging power of the eye lens as shown in figure. Hypermetropia. Due to this defect of vision, a person cannot see the nearby object clearly. The near point of a hypermetropia eye is more than 25 cm. This fault is just opposite of myopia. Cause of hypermetropia. Due to low converging power of eye lens, due to eyeballs being too short. In this case, image is formed behind the retina. Correction. Hypermetropia is corrected by using spectacles containing convex lens. The convex lens used for this correction should be a focal length that is forms is virtual image of the object at near point. Here, convex lens is used to increase the converging power of the eye lens, as shown in figure. Presbyopia. This cause is generally found in old person. Due to loss of power of accommodation of eye in this fault, the nearby the point becomes more than 25 cm. This fault is corrected by using convex lenses, similar to the hypermetropia eye. Cataract. Defect of eye which usually cause in old age is called the cataract. The medical condition in which the lens of eye of a person becomes progressively cloudy, resulting in blurred vision, is called cataract. Glass prism. The triangular glass prism is a transparent object made of glass having two triangular ends and three rectangular sides. They are inclined at an angle to one another. The angle between its opposite faces is called the angle of the prism. In the refraction through a glass prism slab, the emergent ray is parallel to the incident ray. But in refraction through a glass prism, the emergent ray is not parallel to the incident ray, as shown in figure. Refraction of light through a glass prism. Figure is shown. When a ray of light passes through a prism, it bends toward the base of a prism. The angle between incident ray and emergent ray is called angle of deviation. Dispersion of light. The band of 7 colors formed on a white screen when a beam of light is passed through a glass prism is called a spectrum of white light. The 7 colors of the spectrum are in order Vibgyor: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red, as shown in figure. The splitting of white light into 7 colors on passing through a transparent medium like a glass prism is called dispersion of light. This occurs due to the different speed of different colors. The red color is deviated the least and the violet color is deviated the maximum. Recombination of spectrum colors to give white light. White light can be dispersed into its 7 constituent color. Newton showed the reverse of this is also true. That is, the 7 color lights of spectrum can be recombined to give back white light, as shown in figure. The rainbow. The rainbow is an arch of 7 colors visible in sky which is produced by the dispersion of sunlight by raindrops in the atmosphere. The rainbow is formed in the sky when the sun is shining and it is raining at the same time. Each raindrop acts as a tiny glass prism, splitting the sunlight into a spectrum. The raindrop in the atmosphere act like many small prisms, as shown in figure. Atmospheric refraction. The refraction of light caused by the Earth's atmosphere is called atmospheric refraction. Some phenomena which occurs due to atmospheric refraction of light are twinkling of stars, the star seems higher than the actual are, advanced sunrise and delayed sunset, scattering of light. The throw of light in various random directions is called scattering of light. Tyndall effect. The scattering of light by particle in its path is called Tyndall effect. The blue color of white light having shorter wavelength is scattered much more than the red color having longer wavelength. The color of scattered of light depends on the size of the scattered particles. The color of the scattered light depends on the size of scattered particle in the atmosphere. The larger particle of dust and water droplets present in the atmosphere scatter the light as such, due to which the scattered light also appears white. The extreme minute particles, such as the air molecules present in the atmosphere, scatter mainly the blue light present in the white sunlight. Why the sky is blue? The scattering of blue component of white light by air molecules present in the atmosphere causes the blue color of the sky, as shown in figure. If the earth has no atmosphere, then the light will not scattered and the sky will look dark and black to us. In outer space, the sky looks dark and black instead of blue due to no atmosphere. Dangerous signal. The dangerous signal lights are red in color. This is because the red color light having longer wavelength is the least scattered by fog or smoke particles. Due to this, red light can be seen in the same color even from a distance. The sun appears red at sunrise and sunset. The sun and the surrounding sky appears red at sunrise and at sunset because at that time most of the blue color present in the sunlight has been scattered out and away from our line of sight, leaving behind mainly red color in the direct sunlight beam that reach our eyes. Thus, at sunrise and sunset, the sun itself as well as the surrounding sky appears red, as shown in figure. Experiment to study the scattering of light. To show this, place a source of white light at the focus of converging lens L1. After refraction, the white light becomes parallel on passing this ray through colloidal solution. It will scatter the light. The color of the solution becomes blue. And on the other side, place a cardboard disc having circular hole in the center and then passes through the lens, and we observe at first the orange color and the brightness crimson red color on the screen. This activity demonstrates the scattering of light that help us to understand the color of sky and reddish appearance of the sun at sunrise or sunset. Figure is shown. That's all in this video.